Vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
We just got back from the olive pit where we purchased some of the balsamic vinegars. I have this lemon one, and what I'm going to show you how to do is make Shrub, which is a vinegar beverage. You're going to start with equal parts of your fresh fruit, your vinegar, and whatever sweetener you want.
Can you use any kind of fruit?
You can use any kind of fresh fruit. Strawberries, cherries, blackberries, raspberries work great. I have tried it with watermelon, and I don't think that makes a very tasty shrub.
Some people add herbs and spices to their shrubs. We have not experimented with that yet, though.
You can hand brush it or just use a food processor. You're not really turning it into mush, you are just chopping it.
Now let's mix everything together in a glass jar.
I'm putting my fruit in. Next, the vinegar.
Most people use apple cider vinegar for this. We have started to experiment and use different flavored balsamic vinegars.
I'm using a raw cane sugar, however you could use maple syrup.
I would like to try to use sorghum next time I have
Or
some.
even use agave. All the ingredients are in. I'm putting a lid on and I'm just going to shake it well. You will leave it on your counter for approximately 3 days. That's what it looks like right now. And you should shake it once or twice a day. After that,
I'll be back with the next step.
in 3 days.
It's been 3 days. Our shrub has been sitting on the counter. Now I'm going to strain it. I'm just going to take out the extra fruit pieces. Oh, learn from my mistake. I should have picked a bigger strainer. We'll make it work. Just a reminder, while this was sitting on our counter, we shook it once or twice a day. And while it's in our fridge for the next couple days, we will continue to shake it once or twice a day. Also, you get the idea. Continue to strain off the liquid, keep the liquid, and then go ahead and get rid of that fruit in your compost pile if you have one. I've strained off the fruit, and now I just have the liquid in my jar. I'm going to put the lid on this. This will be in the fridge for 3 days, and then we'll be back. It's been 3 days. Our shrub has been in the refrigerator. We've been shaking it once a day, and now we are going to make 3 different mixing options for your shrub. We are going to do 1 part shrub in each one of our glasses. Also, when you drink a shrub, you're getting the health benefits that you would get from drinking vinegar, and also, being a fermented food, it promotes a healthy gut. You can also use this to make like a vinaigrette salad dressing. For the first one, we're going to do Sprite. We do 1 part shrub, and I'm going to do 3 parts Sprite. Many people also mix their shrubs with spirits, wines, or beers. I've done the first 2, not so sure about the third one. For the second one, we're adding water. Comment below and let us know how you like to mix your shrub or what you like to mix it with. And for the last one, I have some carbonated mineral water. I'm going to give each one of them a stir. And this is a blueberry shrub, so if you wanted to garnish it with some blueberries, that would be quite nice. I'm going to start with tasting the water one. You could just take like a shot of that if you wanted to, for like medicinal health reasons. This is very tasty. It's a good option just like that. Next up, I'm gonna try the mineral water. The carbonation is a very nice addition to this, and many people drink these as like mocktails. And the last one is the Sprite. It definitely makes it a lot sweeter. I feel that my favorite is probably the mineral water. I hope that you give this a try and make your own decision, and also play around with it and use different types of fruits. Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe, and come back next week when we try something else. Keep watching for some bloopers. No. Oh wait, no, don't stop. Are you still recording? Okay. Does anybody want a shrub?
They go turn her upside down.